Guys, how are you? Today I am going to make a video 2017 software exercise 25. We'll learn it. At first open the SolidWorks software, then go to file and click new and click part and click OK. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here, 3 circle. Okay, select. Now give the dimension, this circle dimension 110, this circle dimension 80, this circle dimension 60. Select. Now draw the center line here. Select center line here, draw the circle here. Select. Give the dimension circle 60 and now draw the line here and here. Select. Now this line control this line. Okay. Now this circle this line dimension 100. Okay. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Control Z. Now go to mirror this line, mirror about this line. Okay. Now go to trim, cut hair. Again draw the hair center line. Select. Now go to again mirror this line, these are about this line. Okay. Now draw the circle here. Select. Give the dimension 40. Okay, select. Now go to isometric view. Go to feature and extrude. Now this line extrude 50. Okay. Now again here and extrude this line extrude 30 and same this line extrude 30. Okay. Now again here extrude. Now extrude this line extrude 20. Okay. Now again here extrude okay. Again here Ctrl Z. Now here click extrude. Ctrl Z here. Now here now draw the again. Now click here this sketch again. Now draw the circle. Select. Okay. Now this line control this line tangent. Now go to isometric view. Now go to feature and extrude. Exit. Now here click feature and extrude. This circle extrude 50, direction to 10. Okay. Now again here extrude. Here extrude 20. Okay. Go to isometric view. Make our job. Go to isometric view. Now need some work. Now go to shaded tools. Now this plane and sketch. Now combine this line, combine entities. Now you can have chamfer. You can have every side chamfer as well as chamfer 1 chamfer. Okay, now go to feature, exit and chamfer. Here select chamfer, distance to distance 1, here 1, here 1, here, here, here. Okay. Chamfer 1. Now go to isometric view. Now this plane and sketch. Now this line combine entities. Now go to feature and helix. Helix. Now we can have pitch 5, revolution and direction change, reverse. You can fold as well as. Okay. Now go to reference plane and click here this point and helix. Okay. Now this plane and sketch. Go to null draw and draw the circle and give the dimension circle 3. Select. Now this point control this helix pierce. Okay. Now go to feature and exit sweep cut. This is profile and select the path. Okay. Now you can hair height. This cell is height. Now go to isometric view. Now you can hair this plane and sketch and go to normal tool and draw the hair. Draw the hair, select center line. Now go to text, hair, select curve, hair, select text Z25. Now select the below, from below, give the 100. Okay. Now change the direction. Change the direction. Okay. Now Now you can here mode. Now again right is from now here right Z25. Give the value 80. Now change direction and okay. Now go to feature and exit and wrap. Divorce, select the hair. Now 1. Okay. Now go to isometric view and give the material solid and this materials use. Now you can here wrap color change black. Okay, make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box.